Hey, what's happening, guys? Today we're installing this Audi inspired DSG shift knob on my Golf GTI. We're going to kick off by removing our DSG frame trim by pulling it up from the bottom, and so we'll reveal a little hose clamp here. If you've never taken your DSG knob off before, you will likely have a single ear clamp, which you can remove using a set of pliers and shimming it left and right to remove the tension. Once the clamp is removed, pull up on your DSG frame to remove it. So for this job, the Audi style shift knob comes with the left-hand drive frame, which, as you can see, doesn't fit into my right-hand drive car, which is completely fine. I went ahead and swapped out the frame from my stock shift knob onto here. I'm going to put a few more staples here. I glued and stapled it, but staples are fine. You don't need to actually glue it too. And then once that's all stapled up, I will just fit that back in, put it on, and it should be good. Now we're going to fit our new clean looking DSG knob in. Gonna keep this safety pin in till we put it in the car, because we don't want to accidentally press the shift button, and if we do, it is super difficult to reset. Now the button isn't set in yet, so make sure it's all the way down. So now it's all the way down, push it down with your hand, then button's in. Sometimes your button will be super hard. Make sure it's all the way down before you press it. So we're in. All I'm going to do now is just click this back into play. Click the back, work your way up, like so. Beautiful. Overall, I'm super happy with how it turned out. It feels great and it looks fantastic. Would highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching, guys.